ló bá tán o. Àwọn Fúlàní tuntun gbéṣẹ́ wọn dé o. Ariwo Sunday Igboho ni gbogbo wọn ń pa báyìí. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ pa wá tán o. Ẹ̀túwò tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú Ondo. Ṣé bá ṣe máa bá lọ rèé? Ó ga o. Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter. Yoruba Nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, these people are not joking again. They are not stopping any time. All these Fulani people, they have resumed back fully. My brother, my sister, that is why we have said it, that as far as this country is concerned, we just need to go our separate ways. What is it that they are looking for? Look at what just happened. This one happened in Ondo State. This one just happened again as they attacked a 10-seater bus and abducted all the commuters in Ondo State. This is so serious, and right now, with what is going on, it has shown that they don't want peace. They don't want peace in the country, and exactly what we are talking about. These people don't want peace in the country. Like right now, government have reportedly attacked an 18-seater commuter bus in Ondo State, abducting an unspecified number of passengers. And then onto this one, the incident happened on Saturday evening around Irun Akoko along the Ikare Akoko Ado Ekiti Road in Ondo State. Now, but an investigation has been launched into the attack. The spokesperson of the Ondo State Police Command, Fumilayo Odunlami Omisanya, said on Sunday, Channels TV. All right, and then onto this one, a lot of people are now being trapped. Everybody is now looking for their relatives. That's exactly what we are talking about. These people are not stopping any moment soon. There's been a lot of yelling all over the place right now as we are speaking. The Yorubas will say, "Eniyan lo mo." Now, these people are everywhere. They are everywhere. This is exactly what we are talking about. Let us go our separate ways. Some people will be like, we are just blabbing. Now, tell me, what is their problem? What do they want? And the worst scenario is, even after they collect this ransom, they will still buy these people. That's exactly what is going on right now. And then these people, we said it that the moment the Hausas are able to send them packing finally from their territory, the only place they have their eyes on is to come to the southwest. And these people are all over the forest. When they said they were all over Oyo State, all over Ibadan forest, then we thought they were joking. Though some of us still believe that they were actually there. That all those ones that are shouting Yoruba Nation say they are deceiving themselves. You can imagine what these people, what is giving them that guts? If not because we have not cooperated on our own part, if not because our elders, our monarchs they are not agreeing together, because they have seen that all these ones, by the time they give them peanuts, they will forget about their people. The bond is not there. That is why these people have that mind. They have the guts to come and tell us that as far as Yoruba land is concerned, that all the governors are gardener. They are just caretaker. That their forefather told them that they own all the land, most especially southwest. My brother, my sister, what is going on? We have said it times to that number. A lot of people thought we were joking. Thank God right now these same Fulani people have started abducting. They have started attacking these lawmakers. They've started abducting them. They have started dealing with them one after the other. Look at the one that just happened in Benue, Makodi Road. They attacked these lawmakers and abducted the wife and the housemaid. My brother, my sister, it is not funny again. A lot of things are going on right now in this country that everybody needs to wake up. We all need to wake up, because these people, they are all over. They are everywhere right now, and they are not joking at all. Now it is now evident that these people have seen it all. That even when your president, a Yoruba man, our president, a Yoruba man, is there, they still have the guts to misbehave. what is happening, what is going on. Why is it that all our monarchs, all our elders are keeping mute? Nobody wants to say anything. Right now, nobody is talking about Chief Sunday Igboho coming back to the country. Everybody is now looking away. They want you to forget about Chief Sunday Igboho just like that. My brother, my sister, this is not funny. This is not funny at all. Chief Sunday Igboho must be back to the country. There is some side of people are saying, what about Nnamdi Kanu that has not been released? What was done to that? That's exactly what we are talking about. Togetherness. The Igbo elites, the Igbo leaders, they are supposed to fight this. That no, what has this man done? What has he done wrong that he is still there? Okay, fine. He was arrested during the time of during the regime of Buhari. Now another president is there. Is it that this other president is still supporting what Buhari put on ground? Is still supporting the agenda of Buhari? That's exactly what we are talking about. Because the way this set of Fulani people are operating right now, we don't understand the difference between a Yoruba president and a Fulani president right now, because they are now operating at will. They are everywhere. Look at the other day, they buy some students that were kidnapped. They buy these students onto the fact that they said their parents did not come to pay for their ransom. My brother, my sister, what is going on? So you want a parent that has not eaten, that sold all our property to send their children to school, to give you 30 million naira, and simply because they were unable to meet up, and you now buy their children. My brother, my sister, what is going on? A lot of people are taking this thing lightly, maybe because it has not gotten to their house. Let me tell you something. Anything that can make it to happen to somebody, to one person that you don't even know, provided we are together in this country, my brother, my sister, it can happen to anyone. It can happen to you. That is why we all need to gather ourselves together. This is no longer funny. Look at what is going on. 18-seater bus, everybody were apprehended, everybody were kidnapped, and they took them away. Only God knows how many of them will return back alive. This just happened in Ondo State, Southwest. My brother, my sister, we need to wake up. All our leaders, what are they doing to make sure they put an end to this? Because these people will just come out and then they will operate at will. At the end of it all, nobody gets to arrest them. Nobody gets to rescue these people that have been apprehended, have been pied, have been abducted. Now, is this the way we are going to sit back and then allow all these people to continue doing all their rigorous exercises? Because I don't understand. I don't understand. Now, Shebi is the one that we are seeing, the one that we see online on news, that we are telling you that you can hear. What about the ones that are not published, the ones that people don't know about? That's exactly what we are talking about. Innocent souls are going down on a daily basis, and no, everybody is looking away. No protest, nothing, no awareness to tackle this. Oh my God, what is going on? That is why we have of the opinion that it is better, the earlier we make up our mind, the better, that we are supposed to leave this country. The treaty is completed 100 years, my brother, my sister, for crying out loud. 110 years. Now, nobody is saying anything. Thank God all the lawmakers are now being kidnapped. Yes, maybe they will now wake up. They will now wake up. One after the other, they are going for them. They will now wake up. But the truth of the matter is, must it get to the last man before we wake up, before we do the needful? That's exactly what we are saying. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is actually reaching us onto this one. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.